Jai Shri Gurudev. So in last class we already discussed about exercise 1.5. So next concept, we will see the next concept. Practical problems on union and intersection. Already learned now union. So union of two sets. Union and intersection already learned. Intersection of two sets. So very important this concept. So practical problems on union and intersection of the two sets. Okay. So we have three formulas. Here, if you learn, first you have to learn the three formulas. If you learn these three formulas means you can be able to do the problems in the exercise very easy. Okay, so this is 5 marks question for the main examination. Okay, see, this is the first formula. So n of A union B is equals to n of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B. Okay. Sir, what is n of, sir? N of andre ಏನು sir? So n of A means what? Number of elements in A. Number of elements in A. So let us take one example. So A is equals to 1, 3, 8. ಈ ತರ one set is there. So A set is equals to 1, 3, 8. So therefore what is n of A? N of A is equals to what? How many elements are there? 1, 2, 3. So therefore n of A is equals to 3. Okay, number of elements in set A. So if we take 10, so what is n of A here? Now what is n of A? Total 4 elements are there now. Okay, so like that we have to take n of A means we can call it as also cardinal value ಅಂತ ಕೂಡ ಅಂತೀವಿ ನಾವು. So therefore number of elements, n of means what? Number of elements in given set. So here n of A union B, n of A union B means number of elements in A union B is equals to number of elements in A plus number of elements in B minus number of elements in A intersection B. So ಇದು ಹೆಂಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಸರ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು. So if you learn this concept means it's very easy. So brief introduction ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ, how it will comes. Brief introduction I will. If we take a Venn diagram, so this is a Venn diagram. Okay, A, this is A and this is B. A and this is B. Okay, understood? So this is total, this is A now, this is A and this is B. Okay, A and B. Understood? So this is A and this is B. Okay, so n of A union B, n of A union B ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? So this whole thing, this whole thing. So including this also, this whole thing is called n of A, number of elements in A and B is equals to n of A means this one, n of A, this one, this total, n of A is total. Okay, n of B plus n of B, where we add n of B. Okay, so n of A plus n of B add ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ, so intersection part ಅನ್ನೋದು ಎರಡು ಸಾರಿ ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ. ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ n of A ಒಂದು ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ಕ್ಲೂಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. n of B ಅನದರ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ಕ್ಲೂಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 2 ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ಕ್ಲೂಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ? ಸೊ 2 ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ಕ್ಲೂಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ರಾಂಗ್. ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಎಲಿಮಿನೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಒನ್ ಟೈಮ್. ಸೊ n of A ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ B, ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಮೈನಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಸರ್ ಅಂತ ಡೌಟ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ಗೆ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಎ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಕಟ್ ಪಿಕ್ಚರ್. ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್? ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇವಾಗ ಒಂದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ನೋಡಿ ಯಾವ ಥರ ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಸೊ A is equals to 1, 2, 3. Okay, B is equals to 3, 4, 5. Okay, what is n of A? N of A is equals to what? N of A is equals to what? 3. N of B is equals to 3 na. N of A union B ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. So n of A union B ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ. N of A union B is equals to, so ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 3 plus 3 ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. So ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, if you remove this one, so I won't use this one sir ಅಂತ ಅನ್ನೋರು ಯಾರು ಡೌಟ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ರೆ, so 3 plus 3 ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 6 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 3 plus 3 n of A plus n of B equals to 6 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. A union B ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. So calculate A union B. Tell me what is A union B? 1, 2, 3 common is there, write only once. 3, 4, 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many elements are there here? See here only 5 elements are there. What we get? 6 ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಬಟ್ ರಾಂಗ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ. ರಾಂಗ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಹೆಂಗೆ ಅಂತಂದರೆ, ಸೊ n of A intersection B subtract. So n of A intersection B subtract. Okay. Why? Because 2 times 3 then. So 1 there. So into A intersection B is equals to what? A intersection B is equals to A intersection B is equals to what? 3. Okay. So n of A intersection B is equals to what? Only one element. So therefore what? 6 minus 1, 5. So 5 elements. Understood or not? So this is the basic idea of all this one. Okay, basic idea ನಿಮಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಲಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. So this is the basic idea. So if you don't understood also, you learn this formula. ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಗುರ್ತಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. So this is the formula. So what is that formula? Tell me. What is that formula? n of A in B is equals to n of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B. So n of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B. Okay na? So like that we have to write the formula. Okay, next we will move to the next concept, next formula. So second formula. If A and B are disjoint sets. Disjoint sets. Disjoint sets means what? Disjoint sets means what? A intersection B is equals to pi. A intersection B is equals to pi. A intersection B is equals to pi. Disjoint sets means A intersection B is equals to pi. Okay na? So therefore n of A intersection B is 0. It will becomes number of the A intersection B pi means there is no elements in A intersection B now. So therefore n of A intersection B will be 0. Number of elements is equals to 0. Number of elements in A intersection B is equals to 0. So it will become 0. So therefore what is the formula? N of A union B is equals to n of A plus n of B. N of A plus n of B. This is the second formula. When you have to use this formula? You have to use this formula if A and B are disjoint sets. A and B are disjoint sets antaga matrane you have to use this formula. Okay, next we will move to the third one. So this is two formulas, very important. So in so many problems we are using this also. Okay, next third one. So if A, B, C are the three sets, A, B, C, are the three sets. Here only two sets now. Now we are discussing about the three sets. Okay. N of A union B union C is equals to what? What is the formula? N of A union B union C is equals to N of A union B union C is equals to what is the formula? Tell me. N of A union B union C is equals to N of A plus N of B plus n of C. Single terms over. Next double terms minus. Next minus over. So minus n of A intersection B minus n of B intersection C minus. Okay, so I will write here minus AB over BC over CA. Next already ABC CA like that. Alright, cyclic order more. So AB, BC, CA. C intersection A or A intersection C, whatever. So I move to minus. Three values to minus. Next plus again plus n of A intersection B intersection C. N of A intersection B intersection C. So this is the formula. Sir, how to remember this formula, sir? Somewhat lengthy is there. Now, sir, tell me any technique for this one. See, I will tell. N of A union B union C, no? So, single terms A, B, C. N of A plus N of B plus N of C. Double terms N of A intersection A, B, B, C, C, A. Intersection you have to write A intersection B, B intersection C, C intersection A. Otherwise, A intersection C. Three terms. Single terms, double terms, three terms, A intersection B intersection C. Only one you have to write. And minus plus, how to remember minus plus? ಹೆಂಗೆ ಗುರ್ತಿಟ್ಕೊಬೋದು ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ರೈಟ್ ದ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 3 terms, single terms plus, double terms minus 3 minus, again plus, alternate plus minus plus. So this is the technique you have to remember. If formula is well known means the problems will be very easy. So these three formulas are very important for now solving the problems. Okay, so problem solve madake, so this is very useful. So we'll discuss another time. See, I'll tell another time. First formula is what? N of A union B is equals to N of A plus N of B minus N of A intersection B. And second formula is if A and B are disjoint sets, A intersection 0 agutte, A intersection B is equals to pi, therefore N of A intersection B is equals to 0. So therefore same N of A will be same N of A plus N of B only, this will be 0. Okay, N of A union B is equals to N of A plus N of B. So if two sets are disjoint, next we will move to the third one. So N of A union B union C is equals to N of A plus N of B plus N of C minus N of A intersection B minus N of A B intersection C minus N of A intersection C plus N of A intersection B intersection C. Okay, so these are the three formulas you have to know first basically. Next we will see the problems. Okay, my dear students, we will see the problems. See, my dear students, let us see first problem of exercise 1.6. Exercise 1.6. Exercise 1.6. Exercise 1.6 discuss padam. Okay, 1.6. So already learnt formulas now, related problems. See, first question, if x and y are two sets, such that n of x, here already learned a, no, so x ಬಂದಿದೆ ಸರ್, a ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. So a place on x ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Okay, have to think logically. Okay, see, always ಏನೇ ಇರಲ್ಲ, n of x is equals to 17, n of y b place ಒಳಗೆ y ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. So n of y is equals to 23, n of x union y is equals to 38. So union is given and n of a intersection y you have to find. Okay, see, first you have to write all the given right, n of x is equals to 17, n of y is equals to 23, n of x union y is equals to 38. Like that first you have to write. Okay, now first you have to write like this. Next, what to find? Find n of x intersection y. Now what is the formula? Already learned first formula, n of x union y formula is there. A b ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ವಾ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ x and y ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ವಾ. n of x union y is equals to what? So Jai Shri Gurudev. So this is the last video continuation. Okay, so already learned the formulas related to the practical problems on union and intersection. So already learned the three formulas. So related problems. First question, exercise 1.6. So if x and y are two sets such that n of x is equals to 17, n of y is equals to 23, n of x union y is equals to 38. n of x union y is equals to 38. Find n of x intersection y. So first you have to write the given data. First. What is the given data? n of x is equals to what? 17. n of y is equals to 23. n of x union y is equals to 38. Okay, and you have to find out n of x intersection y. So we know the formula, sir. xy is given now, sir. You already told AB related. So my dear students, so in the place of a you have to consider x ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. a is equals to x ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬರಿ. So b is equals to y. Think it of b is equals to y. So b is equals to y. So b is equals to y. b is equals to y ಅಂತ think ಮಾಡಿ. So ಇವಾಗ x union y means a union b. x intersection y means a intersection b. Like that you have to think. Okay. x union y, number of n of x union y is equal to n of x plus n of y minus n of x intersection y. This is the formula, actual formula now. So what we have to find? We have to find n of x intersection y now. So n of x intersection y na is set over. So minus will become plus. N of x intersection y is equals to same n of x plus n of y minus n of x union becomes minus. So n of x union y. Okay. So another technique is what? Here intersection is there, here union. Like that you think. Here union is here intersection. Minus. So these two are plus. Okay. Next item. So what is n of x? N of x is equals to n of x is equals to 17 plus n of y is equals to 23 plus minus 38. Okay na? So A union. Next 17 plus 23. Okay. 40 minus 38 is equals to 2. So n of x intersection y is equals to what? 2. Understood or not? Like that we had to decide. Like that we had to decide the answer. Okay. Next we will move to the next question. See next question. So here if x and y are two sets, such that x union y has 18 elements, x union y has 18 elements and x has 8 elements, x and y has 15 elements, So how many elements does x intersection? So like that theoretically is given. Okay, you have to write in a problem and see. So answer. X and y are two sets now. Tell me what is n of x? Tell me n of x is equals to nodi. N of x has 8 elements. So there are n of x is equals to what? 8. Next. Okay. N of y. So y has 15 elements. 15. Okay. Next. N of x union y. See, x union y has 18. So n of x union y is equals to 18 elements. Okay. So given data, find what? Find x intersection y. N of x intersection y. Number of elements number of how many elements is n of x intersection y. So n of x intersection y. So what is the formula? Direct formula telling n of x intersection y is equals to what is the formula? N of x plus n of y minus n of x union y. So intersection is union x union y. Okay. Substitute all these values here. N of x equals to what? N of x equals to 8 plus n of y equals to 15 minus, okay, union 8. Like that first you have to write. 15 plus 15 plus 8, 23. Okay. See, 8 plus 50, 23. Okay, 23 minus 18, so 5. So is equals to 5. So therefore, n of x intersection y is equals to what? 5. So therefore, number of elements so 5 elements does x intersection have. Okay, so x intersection y contains 5 elements. Okay, so like that, very easy problem. See, you have to know this formula well enough. Okay, next we'll move to the next problem. See, next question number 3. Next we'll move to the question number 3. What is the question? See, in a group of 400 people, 250 can speak Hindi. 250 can speak Hindi and 200 can speak English. 200 can speak English. How many people can speak both Hindi and English? Okay, and okay. here A B not given, intersection ಯಾವುದು union ಯಾವುದು ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. So that's why I will give a technique for you. Very very important question this one. Okay, what is the answer? So here first have to give the two sets here. You know, in the